Welcome to ENTC 2160. Today we're going to focus on putting stairs into our floor plan. In a previous recording, I demonstrated to you how to stack your floor plans if you have a home that has more than one floor. Same thing can apply if you have a home that has a basement, or if you had a high-rise building, an apartment building, whether you have a residence hall or dormitory on a college campus, it pretty much is the same. So as you can see here, I have a set of stairs here to just show you what it looks like in a template form on your drawing once you bring it in. As you can see here, you have an arrow pointing on this set of stairs, and it just shows that you're going up in that direction. But the way AutoCAD puts this in, even though in a two-dimensional view, it doesn't show all of the steps in the stairs. They're there, it just doesn't show it to you this way. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and delete this and show you how to bring the stairs in. So in your tool palette here, under your tool palette design, where we talked about earlier in the video, if you scroll up, you have a lot of different things you can select from. So what you want to do is literally find your stairs. And so here are your stairs. So if you want to put a set of stairs in here, first of all, you want to identify where you want those stairs, because again, that's going to have an impact in terms of the entry into the second floor. So I'm just going to say, well, I'm just going to randomly take a position here and just put my stairs here. And I'm just going to come up in this direction and stop. So that's my set of stairs. And again, if you click again, it wants to start a second set of stairs. So as we discussed before, you want to make sure that to get out of this operation, just hit escape, and then it takes me back. Now, here's the interesting part. Let's just take a look at this in 3D real quick. So if I go to view, and let's look at an isometric, what you see is a set of stairs, but what's missing? Well, in this case, what's missing are stair rails. You're required to have stair rails if you have some stairs here. So you have some options here. So let's go back to view and look at our top view here where we were starting from. And what we want to do is put some rails in here. So just like where you select the stairs before, if you go down below the stair tower generator, you can now select rails. So what I want to do is, as you can see that little green box again, that means my object snap is toggled on. I want to put a set of rails on both sides here. Okay, you hit escape to get out of this, or hit enter, and you have rails there. Want to do the same thing on the other side as well. Same thing, click there, right click, hit enter. So we have the rails connected to our stairs, but there is still an issue here. The issue here is that the rails come in on a ground zero platform, meaning that it comes in at a base height of 0, which means that it's flat on the ground. So in the top view, we can't see height. So let me show you what this looks like, and you'll see for yourself what I'm talking about. Guess what? We have the stairs, but look at the railings. The railings are still on the floor. We want the railings to actually follow the stairs. And so let me show you how to do that. So if I go back to my top view, and if I go to select this right here, this is selecting my rails. I'm going to zoom in using the middle mouse button. If I select this set of railings here, it's been selected. I'm going to right click my mouse button, and then you have some options here. And you have an option that says railing anchor. We want to anchor to stairs. So select anchor to stairs, and then select your stairs. Okay? Same thing for the other side. Select the railings, right click, go to anchor, railing anchor, anchor to stair, and then select your stairs. And then the stair. So now let's take a look at it. So if we go into the three-dimensional view here, you can see now that your railings are now connected to your stairs. So let's take a look also, go from a 2D wireframe and look at this in a shaded view, and you can actually see it. I'm going to zoom in. It looks a little bit more realistic right now. So you have this. And now you have your stairs in your home, and so you can now move your second plan on top of your first plan. So this becomes very important in terms of where those stairs enter the upper level, because that will have an impact on what the floor plan actually looks like regarding your interior walls. So again, thank you for joining in. I hope this has been very helpful. Thank you.